What's up, boys and girls? Hey, listen, I'm still out here working. Y'all gotta see this. Like, to see it on video and then to see it in real life, it's totally different. Let me show y'all. This is 94, and I'm working 94. And it's like cars I just can't get to. I got so many cars, and I want to get to everybody. I just can't. It's just not gonna happen. Look at that. That's crazy. I know it. Look at that. That semi trying to back up. Don't know how far he's going to get. That's that side of the freeway. I'm about to walk over on the other side. Now check it. It's almost dry in this part right up under the bridge that I'm at. But then I still got another car that's down there with the trunk open that I got to get. Look at that. Wow. That's crazy. I feel bad for them people. Especially the ones that don't have a new car, that's not fully insured, and that's their only means of transportation. And they might not be able to recover, and that's their main income to get back and forth to work. I feel sorry for them. Because right now, with the way that the market is, cars ain't cheap, and some people, they they can't afford to bounce back from, these kind of disasters. It's crazy. See how deep that water is? That one was stuck.
We had it bad.
Yeah, y'all ain't got it bad as they got it.
We don't, man. We don't. I swear we don't. Yeah, we don't. We ain't got it that bad. Yeah, they shit over. Yeah. The cars through.
They just sitting on top of their car.
Cars, man. Getting the kids out. Yeah. Shit, you only see the shit on the nose. It's crazy. Look, there's somebody on top of the red car down there. You see him? Stand on the side of that truck. This is really sad, man.
Let's get it. All right, I'm out of here. I'm still working. Man, it's crazy. Everywhere it's all screwed up around here. But if y'all call me, listen, if y'all call me, it's at least 2-3 hours before I can get to y'all. I got like over 32 cars waiting. And I ain't trying to be mean or nothing, but I can't get to everybody at one time. So, and I got another truck out here as well that's working. So give us some time if you looking for us. But I'm sure that a lot of tow companies, they're all going to be occupied and busy. So not just with me. You got to give everybody some time, because we got to be safe and take precautions so that we don't get stuck. My number 313-463-0017. That's my number. And everybody, if y'all voters, again, y'all watching me and I'm watching you, vote for me November 2nd, Police Commissioner for District 2.